The threat of Omicron grips India. Section 144 has been imposed in Mumbai for 48 hours, banning large gatherings as cases of Omicron have surged in Maharashtra. Sources in Mumbai police say there are two reasons for imposing Section 144. First one being a massive AIMIM rally scheduled in Mumbai for which they were denied permission. The second is the planned protest by the BJP across Mumbai. Maharashtra alone has reported as 17 of the total 32 cases in the country. Omicron cases in India now followed by 3 in Gujarat, 9 in Rajasthan. Out of the 7 cases in Maharashtra, 3 were detected in Mumbai, 7 in the Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation. 4 amongst them have been vaccinated. A 3-year-old child also is one amongst those infected. None of the confirmed cases are severe and are mostly asymptomatic or mildly symptomatic.
अभी तक जो भी ओमिक्रॉन पॉजिटिव केसेस देश में डिटेक्ट किए गए हैं उनमें मुख्यतः माइल्ड सिम्टम्स ही पाए गए हैं। कंटिन्यूड बेसिस पर टेक्निकल एडवाइस हम लोग के सामने यही आ रही है कि वैक्सीनेशन पर हमारा ध्यान बना रहे और वैक्सीनेशन के साथ साथ जो पब्लिक हेल्थ मेजर्स हैं, कोविड अप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर है, यानी कि यूज ऑफ मास्क, फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग, हैंड हाइजीन और रेस्पिरेटरी हाइजीन एक नए नॉर्मल के रूप में हम अपने जीवन में समाहित करें।
Saurav Vakhtania is getting us more details on that story. Saurav, this is a horrible sense of deja vu, isn't it? Just about a year ago in the month of January and February, we were seeing a slight surge in cases in Maharashtra, what was supposed to be the worst COVID surge in India that eventually led to the second wave. And now we have more than 50% of the cases, as far as Omicron is concerned, from your state.
Well, absolutely, Sneha, and danger is looming for the state of Maharashtra because let me tell you, in last 24 hours, 7 cases of Omicron have been detected. The major concern is the city of Mumbai, which was the hotspot for COVID-19 in the first and the second wave. Now, let me tell you, the major concern is one of the cases of Omicron is detected in the Asia's largest slum, that is Dharavi. The 37-year-old person who had a travel history from Tanzania, South Africa and UK is a resident of Dharavi. Now, he's been detected with COVID-19 and also has a variant of Omicron. And therefore, now Mumbai police is what they are doing is they have imposed section 144 in the whole city. Now, let me tell you, there is a huge AIMIM rally which has to be conducted in the evening today. Mumbai police has not given permission for the rally. The rally is in BKC. Now, Sneha, BKC is just few minutes away from Dharavi and taking no chances, no permissions have been given. And let me also tell you that all the entry and exit points of Mumbai, that is the Dahisar and the Mulund Cheknaka, are completely barricaded, sealed by the Mumbai police official. There is huge deployment over there. They are not allowing any AIMIM party workers to enter the city. But what the party workers and the leaders are telling that they are going to anyhow go ahead with the rally. There's also a protest which BJP is going to conduct in several parts of the city against Sanjay Raut, which he gave statement against the BJP leaders. Now, all this is there. Again, the BMC have deployed several teams in Dharavi area. They are conducting rapid tests and also several precautions have been taken for the Dharavi area. Yes, Neha.
Saurav, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. We're just going to cross to some news just coming in. Let's take a look. There's alarm in Delhi as well because there are now in totality 2 cases of Omicron in the national capital. 1 new case of Omicron has just been detected in Delhi. In total, 2 cases in the national capital. The passenger again is from Zimbabwe, has tested positive for the Omicron variant. Patient moved to a hospital in Delhi. India's cases now stands at 33.